Okay, then let's look at one example. Maybe drawing the graph between fx equal to log base 2x and gx equal to log base 2 x minus 3. Okay. So this case, if we know the original function form, then we can conjecture graph of gx easily. So from the last video, we know that if inside value is minus c here, then it moving to the right, how many units? This units. Okay. Therefore, now we can conjecture. This means this graph will transform 3 units to the right. Okay, then this is the original graph here. Now known point is 1, 0 here. So this will move 3 units to the right. So this point moving 1, 2, 3. So it will pass through this point. Okay, but before drawing this graph, you must be careful because the logarithm function, it has the vertical asymptote here, right? So before, this line was the vertical asymptote. Now this one also moving 3 units to the right as well. So this goes to 1, 2, 3. So there will be new vertical asymptote, and then graph looks like this one here. Okay, so that's the graph of this function basically. Okay, then what about comparing fx equal to log base 2x and gx equal to log base 2x plus 3 here. So difference is, now before the value was in the parentheses, but now the 3 is not belonging to the parentheses value at all. Okay, so we just go back to the property part here. So log base b plus c, which means this function move up c unit. Therefore, we can say this one will move 3 units to the up basically. Okay, so the original function is this one, and then we have a known point which is 1, 0 here. So now we can transform based on this point value. So go to 1, 2, 3. So it will pass through this point here. But because it is not moving right or either left, so the vertical asymptote is still x equals 0, this line here. So the graph becomes this way. So that's the graph of this function. Okay, then what about we mixed up together? So such as fx equal to log 2 to the x and gx equal to log base 2 x plus 2 minus 5, like that. Okay, then now we have to think both right, left, and up and down together. Especially this is plus 2, then moving left 2 units, and then this one moving down 5 units. So original graph is this graph, and then that's the known point 1, 0 here. Now, so known point value will move to the left here. So 1, 2, and then down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will pass through this point here. But before you drew the graph, because in moving left side again, so you have to think about the vertical asymptote as well. Before x equals 0, this line was our vertical asymptote. Because in moving 2 unit to left, so this also moving left 2 unit as well. So 1, 2. So that will be our new vertical asymptote. So based on that, you just draw the graph. That will be the graph of this function. Okay.